Hello everyone and welcome back to Pabbly. What if I tell you you can send emails to all your leads or customers for your product promotions in bulk, that too without getting blocked or marked as spam? Yes, this is possible. You have to simply send the campaign using the amazing software that is Pabbly Email Marketing, with the help of which you can easily and efficiently manage the email marketing workflows in your business. Okay, so you can see on the screen, this is the kind of product promotional email I will send to all my leads and customers at once. So without wasting any further time, let's jump into the video directly. Okay, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/email-marketing, and Pabbly email marketing landing page is going to appear in front of you. If you want to learn the entire overview of what Pabbly email marketing is, you can check out the link of the overview added in the description section below. On the landing page, you will find two options: sign in or sign up for free. Now, if you're a new user, you do not have an account with Pabbly email marketing, sign up for free from here and you will log into your Pabbly email marketing account, and you will get some free subscriber quota in order to test the amazing features of Pabbly email marketing. Okay, I will directly sign in from here as I'm already the user. After signing in, you can see all Pabbly app section is going to appear in front of you, where you will see the option Pabbly email marketing. As I want to use this, I'm going to click on this access now button. As you will first time log into your Pabbly email marketing account, you need to select the email marketing version from here. I will select the new beta method version because we have recently introduced some amazing features inside Pabbly email marketing in our new version. That is why I'm going to access this version from here. Okay, and then Pabbly email marketing's dashboard is going to appear in front of you. Now, if you want to learn in brief what Pabbly email marketing is, how you can set up your business inside Pabbly email marketing, and you want to learn about each and every feature of Pabbly email marketing in brief, check out the videos added in the description section below, with the help of which you will learn all about Pabbly email marketing. Now, with that, if you want to purchase our plan right away, check out the code added right here on the left side of the screen, as well as I've added the same code in the description section, with the help of which you will get instant discounts on yearly and lifetime deals with Pabbly. So go ahead and use that code right away. Okay, so now this video is focused on sending bulk emails to all your customers and leads about the product promotions of your business. So simply, in order to create that campaign, from the panel, go towards the campaigns section. Okay, you will land towards the campaigns page of our Pabbly email marketing account. Now over here you will see the total number of campaigns, campaign sent, scheduled and draft. Okay, and you will see the option create email as well. So I'm going to click on this create email button. Now we are going to create the email as well as the campaign that we'll send to all the subscribers that are added inside our account. Okay, now firstly you have to select the campaign type. Now my campaign type is regular. If you want, you can select API or workflow campaign, all according to your requirement. I will select over here as regular. Now next it is asking for the campaign name. So for the name of my campaign, I will write it as Natural Glow Product Launch Campaign. So this is the name of my business, Natural Glow Skincare, and this is the name of my campaign. Okay, now we have to enter the from name. For the from name, I will write it as Natural Glow Skincare Team. Okay, so I've written this from name. Now next it is asking for the subject of this campaign. So for the subject, I will write it as Your Skin Will Thank You for This. Okay, so this is the simple subject that I've written. If you want to add variables inside your subject, for that you can add the variables from this section right here. Okay, now next it is asking for the pre-header. So for the pre-header of this campaign, I will write it as Clean Ingredients, Visible Glow, Limited Time Offer inside. Okay, you can see right here, I have entered all the campaign details. Now, as I've entered the details, you will see the preview of this, live preview of this section right here. This is the subject that I've entered, this is the name of my business, and this is the pre-header that I've written right here. You will see the live preview on this section while entering the details. Okay, then click on this continue button. Now, as soon as you will do that, now it is asking for us to choose the template. So if you've already added a template, you can select it. You can select that pre-created template from this section, but I will create this template from scratch, so I will select this option. Okay, now for creating Now it is asking for us to select the email builder. There are 3 types of builder that we provide: drag and drop builder, rich text editor, and custom HTML editor. We have explained 3 of them in brief in our campaign section below. So go and check out that video right away. Okay, I will use the email builder type as drag and drop. So I will select this type from here. If you want, you can select rich text or HTML, all according to your requirement. Now for the drag and drop block here, what I will do is, firstly I'm going to add the header. So let me add the header right here. After header, I want to add the title. So I'll do that. Then I want the image. I will add the image. Then I want the text. So I will add the text. And then I want to add all the socials. So I will add that. And yes, before the socials, I also want to add a button. So I will add the button over here. Okay, so let me do that. Yes, I want to add the button right here. So you can see right here, this is the format of the email I want. If you want to add more image, another title, or any other thing, you can add all those details from here. Okay, like the text, like the title, text, image. Even if you want to add the video, you can add the video button. I've added that. Social media, HTML, divider, space, you can add that. In sections, you will see these are all the options. If you want, you can add that as well. Okay, and if you have saved something, you can see the saved section also. Okay, so this is the format that I want. Now in the format, firstly I want to change this logo. For that, simply I'm going to click on this button. I have already uploaded the image of my logo right here. To upload the images like this, simply go to this upload file, click on this button and upload the file from here directly. Okay, as you will do that, you will see all the files that you've uploaded in the same manner. This is the logo, so I will select it and insert the logo, and you can see the logo has been updated. Okay, now if you want to change anything like the layout or anything from here, you can definitely do that according to your requirement. Okay, now next over here I have to enter the title. So now for this title, I will write it as reveal your natural glow vitamin C. Okay, so first of all, I will just make this text a little smaller, and then I want to change this text type from here. So I'm going to select this text or this one. Let me select this one. Okay, so this is the text. I've selected the font. Okay, now after adding the title, I want to add the image of my product right here. So this is the image. I will insert this image from here. Remember, the limit of the image size is 500 KB only. So you have to add the image size of 500 KB. Okay, now next over here, it is asking for the entire body of this email. So for the body, I will write it as healthy radiant skin starts with right care. Our vitamin C serum is designed to help brighten dull skin, improve texture, and support natural glowing complexion using gentle and skin loving ingredients. You can see this is the body that I've entered. Now over here, this is the button. I want to name this button over here Shop Vitamin C Serum. You can see it has been changed. And now to add the link of this product, this is the link of my product from my e-commerce store. So I'm going to copy this link from here and paste it right here. Okay, now after that, these are my socials. So if I'm going to click on it, you have to enter your social media links right here. Okay, so what I will do is, just for the test currently, I will go back on this page and I will simply copy the URL of my Pabbly email marketing and paste it over here in these fields. Okay, it's just for the test. You have to enter the URLs of your social media platforms like Facebook, X, Instagram and LinkedIn. And if you want to delete any of the socials, you can definitely do that as well. Okay, so I've deleted one. Now this is the entire template that I want to share as an email to all my customers or leads. So as I've entered that, now I'm going to click on this send button. If you want, you can save it from here, this template as well. Okay, so that you can use the template later with different products. So now we have to send the campaign. Now firstly, we have to tally the campaign details. Yes, this is my campaign name, this is the subject and the pre-header that we have already seen, and you can again see the live preview over here. Okay, you can see the sender's details. From name is written right here, and this is how the live preview, if you want, you can preview this campaign from here and you will see the preview of the campaign that you've created. This is how the email is going to look like. So this is the preview right over here, desktop and phone. You can see both of the preview, and this is how the text and everything is going to look like. If you want, you can check out the link of the product from the preview as well. As soon as I've clicked on it, it has landed to my e-commerce page where this product has been added. So you can see this is the preview right here. Okay, So now I have added the details. Now it is asking for me to select the delivery server. If you want to learn how you can add delivery server inside Pabbly email marketing, you can check out the video that we have already created. I've added that video in the description section. It's included in the settings explanation. Okay. So now for the delivery server, I have created one server. So I will also select the from email from here. Okay. Now after that, it is asking for the recipient details. So you might have created a subscribers list. Let me open the subscribers list section right here on a new tab. You will see that I have created a subscribers list inside my Pabbly email marketing tool. Let me show you the list. This is the list I've created in the name of new subscribers, where I've added 15 subscribers. Okay. So now if you want, you can send the email to all these 15 subscribers that I've added just by selecting that list from here. So I will select that list. So this is the list. I will select it and confirm the list. If you have created multiple other lists, like I have only created one list over here, if you have created multiple other lists and to a specific list only you want to share this promotional email, you can select that specific list in the section, or else you can add different list also. Okay, if you want, you can add another list other than this one that I've selected, or you can add multiple lists right here. Okay, now next it says send to individuals. So if you want to just send this email to specific people who are not added inside your subscribers list, you can also add their email addresses over here directly, and towards that email address this same campaign is going to be shared. You can enter up to 200 individual email address right here. Okay, now if you have multiple email addresses, you have to separate them by comma like this. Okay, next it says send or save campaign. Now if you want, you can save this campaign from draft. If you want, you can send this campaign right now, as well as schedule this campaign for later. If you want to send this campaign, let's suppose 4 days from today. So if you're going to select this option, you have to select the date and time from this section. Let's suppose 4 days. I'm going to go here. This is going to be the time. I will select the detail and schedule this email campaign. So at the selected date and time, this campaign is going to run. Okay. Now I want to instantly share this campaign. So I will select the option send now and click on the send email button. As soon as I will do that, it is confirming all the details. You're all set. Does this look right? This is the from name, this is the reply to, recipients 15 recipients from this list, this is the subject, this is the server and the sender's email. And if you want, you can again check the preview from here directly. Okay, and then I'm going to click on this send button. As soon as I have done that, you can see this campaign is sending. Currently the status is sending. Okay, so let the campaign run, and then after that we'll check whether on the email address I have received the email successfully or not. So let the process be completed right here, and you will see right here on my Gmail account I have received the email, the same logo, reveal your natural glow with vitamin C, glow with vitamin C. You can see the same image. It says healthy radiant skin. You can see the same body that we have entered is right here. So if I want to shop this serum, I'm going to directly click on this button, and you will see your customer or your lead is going to be directly forwarded towards the purchase page of that product campaign that you have shared. These are your socials, you can see right over here, and this is the mandatory footer that will be shared to all your leads or customers with the campaign that you're sharing using Pabbly email marketing. You can see this is going to be the compulsory footer. So as now this email has been shared, if I'll refresh the campaigns page from here, you will see the status of this campaign is going to be updated as sent. That means this campaign has been successfully forwarded. Okay, we have also received the email that shows that the campaign has successfully been shared. Okay, so as now this campaign has been shared, like I've instantly sent it. If you want, you can view the report from this section directly, and if you want, you can find all the other data and the statuses from here directly as well. Okay, so now this is how you send bulk emails to all your customers or leads related to the product launches in your business. I have taken the example of skincare brand. You can have any type of business, and for the products that you sell or the services that you provide, you can create such amazing campaigns right away. Use the code again I've added right here, with the help of which you will get instant discounts on the purchase of yearly and lifetime deals, so that you can create these amazing campaigns right away and you can have good sales in your business. So use the power of email marketing marketing tool and grow your business to the next level. So if you have questions or doubts related to this workflow, you can ask us all the questions in the comment section and we'll reply to you as soon as possible. If you like this video, please click on the thumbs up button. Comment down below if you have any other ideas you want us to create a video on. With that, subscribe to our channel right now. This was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.